Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for being with me till now, and for my new subscribers, you are welcome to my world. I posted a picture of this no leaves waakye on my Instagram and Facebook, and the requests kept coming in for the recipe. I'm going to share it today with you. Have I ever told you about the story of the waakye seller's daughter? Stay tuned and I'll let you know how my waakye skills all came about. It's very simple and easy to make. You need only 3 ingredients. I'll introduce you, as I always do, to the ingredients first. Did I say it's Lami Cooks here? Well, this is Lami Cooks. The ingredients you need are beans. I use black eye beans. The ratio, usually I make it 50-50. That is the perfect ratio. However, you can adjust according to what you like. So you can make it more beans to rice or more rice to beans. But 50-50 is the perfect one. So I have 2 cups of beans and I have here 2 cups of jasmine rice. Jasmine rice, I find, is one of the best rice you can use. However, if you want to use basmati, you're all free to do so. I also use saltpeter, or kaun as we call it. I used about just two of these ones. So let's say a thumb size, 2 thumb size, depending on how big your thumb is. Soak it in water because you want to avoid putting sand in your food. So here is my soaked kaun. I soaked it for a few hours to get the sand settled in the bottom. So I have here 4 cups of water with the kaun, and then I added my 3 more cups because I needed a total of 7 cups to make this waakye. I washed my beans and I added it. Now, if you bought your beans from the market, make sure you remove the stones from it or the sand. I avoid covering my waakye because it bubbles up and it will be all over on your stove, so I leave it open. On the side, I was frying my fish to go with my waakye. So after cooking for about 10 minutes, the beans should start softening up. The skin begins to loosen up and it should just be tender. So you check one of the beans, just make sure you can be able to split it into 2, and it's just becoming soft. Now is the stage to add your rice. So I washed my 2 cups of rice and I added it. You can see the water started changing already after adding the beans. This is what will give it the color. So it's the effect of the saltpeter. Now, if you don't have the saltpeter, you can use bicarbonate of soda. So you can use 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. Then I added my salt to taste. Give it a quick stir. Taste it and see if you are happy with the salt. Then again, do not cover all the way. So I try to avoid covering my beans because it boils over. I don't want to do double work. You can leave it uncovered or cover it halfway. So don't fully cover it. Let it cook, but keep an eye on it. After 5 to 7 minutes, I gave it a quick stir again. I keep stirring occasionally until the rice and beans have absorbed all the liquid. Now, back to what I was telling you about my waakye skills. I came from a house where we used to sell waakye. My mom sold waakye for about 40 years. She recently stopped selling waakye. So this is what I've known from childhood growing up. Cook waakye, go and sell, come back home. This is all after school though. So if you come, it used to be one of the popular joints in Tema Community 7. So one of those popular waakye joints, yes. It was very, very popular. So this is where I got all my waakye skills, I call it, from. Yes, so that's my waakye background when it comes to cooking and selling waakye. Have you liked this video yet? What are you waiting for? Right, so now this is the best stage to cover your waakye to let it slow steam cook. Is that right? Yeah, so it will cook in the steam slowly. So use a kitchen a towel or a foil, or in this case I'm using a foil, that's fine. Then cover it, lower the heat to the lowest, like very, very low. You need to be patient. If you high it, you burn your watch, so you need to be very, very patient. Put it on a low heat for another 10 minutes. Now, after 10 minutes, look at that. Look at the vapor. You can tell the steam was retained. So give it a stir again. This time very slowly and gradually. You can feel there's still some moisture in it. So we'll cover it again, the same low heat. Leave it for another 5 to 7 minutes. And then we'll come back and check again. Are you subscribed to this channel? If you're not, please do so now. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Now, after 7 minutes, I checked my watcher again. This time, there is little moisture in it, so it means it's almost ready. Check the beans and the rice and see if it's cooked through. So I individually check the grains like that. So you can see I still felt a little resistance in the beans. So I covered it again and let the steam do its magic. It's probably taking longer, you can tell, but I prefer cooking my rice or waakye on a very, very slow steam so that it can cook perfectly. Now, after another 5 minutes, the smell, the waakye smell in my kitchen, this yummylicious goodness is ready. You can see all you need is your gari, macaroni, salad, shito, meat, wele, egg, oh my goodness, name it all. Your waakye is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video. The next recipe is that yummylicious shito that goes with this waakye. So please don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.